Hey folks, Robbie here. For the month of February, I'm also working on this 76 Caprice with centerline wheels on it. It's going to have dirtied up interior and a perfect dash. And then there's the motor. It's going to get dirtied up, and then here's underneath. I'm going to white letter in the tires for it. I think that's going to add something to it. There's a little more look at the interior and stuff. I just got stuff set on for right now. But I thought I'd do this kind of as a mild hot rod. I got to do some more work on the bumper and stuff. But anyway, just kind of wanted to show you what was going on. This is Robbie saying thanks for checking it out.